Hi crafty friends, welcome to the Crafty Seas. Today we'll be sharing our Easter tree that we've made using some branches, polystyrene eggs, faux flowers and some pom-poms and a lot of hot glue. And we've made this tree so that we can hang up all those lovely spring and Easter decorations that we've been making in this last few weeks. So stay tuned and we'll be showing you a fully decorated tree. But first I'll show you the tree itself, and to make the tree we've used some redwood branches from our garden and we've hot glued gunned those beautiful faux flowers, polystyrene eggs and foliage to the branches, and we've arranged it into a vase and we've used some polystyrene packaging as a flower oasis so that we could get those branches to stay in place. And I think you'll agree those beautiful purples, mints and lemons have gave it a lovely springtime theme. All that's left now is to add our handmade decoration. So before we pop our decorations onto our Easter tree, I thought I would give you a little closer look at some of them. And the first two we have here are very special decorations that we made this year when we attended the Create and Craft show. And at the Create and Craft show in Glasgow, they had a glass fused workshop where you got the chance to decorate your own Easter egg, and then the person running the class would take your egg away and put it in their kiln and fire it to make these beautiful Easter egg decorations. So these arrived in the post this morning just in time for Easter, and here are our two decorated glass eggs, and these are solid glass, and this one's been made using special diacrylic glass and it has a beautiful sheen as you can see, and this one was designed by Maureen and it's a lovely fusion of all the different types of glass, and it was a fun workshop. You got to pick out your pieces of glass and you used some glue to put them onto a glass tile, and then as I said they were taken away, put in the kiln and we got them sent out to us. And here's the one that I made, and I used some nice spring greens and pinks and a little bit of the diacrylic glass, and these are lovely to hang on a window as well because the light can shine right through them, and they'll be going on our Easter tree each year. So that's the first decorations we'll be putting on our beautiful fused glass Easter eggs. Next up we'll be putting on these 3 little wooden eggs, and we made these on the channel. I can leave a link to any of the videos for the decorations that we have tutorials for, and these are lovely glitzy 3D wooden eggs. We've got a lovely purple and gold one, a foiled purple one, and on the back we've got the Happy Easter, and a beautiful blue glitzy one. So we'll pop them onto the tree as well. And also going onto the tree will be these cute little bunny dangles that we made using some beads and some twine, and again there will be a tutorial link down below for that. So we'll put a pair of bunnies onto the tree. And we also purchased this beautiful vintage bunny egg for just 80p from Poundland, and we think that'll look absolutely stunning on the tree. And next up is this cute little pom-pom chick, and we made him. He's super easy to make, just need a large yellow pom-pom. We've used some embroidery thread for his dangly little legs, some red felt for a triangular beak, and 2 black beads for the eye, and we've just sewn in a piece of yellow ribbon for the dangle. Isn't he adorable? And please excuse the mess of my hands, I've been busy crafting today. And next up are our wooden decoupage decorations, and again we made these on the channel, so there will be a tutorial link down below. And these were made from napkins wooden egg shapes and some paper flowers we had in our stash. And I think these will look absolutely stunning on our Easter tree. And are you doing any decorating this weekend or decorating for spring? We love to hear from you. Drop us a little comment down below. So our branches are getting quite full, but we do still have a few more decorations. Next up is this beautiful glass aperture egg, and we've used some bright green straw inside and a mini little basket with 3 polystyrene eggs that we've coloured using our inks and put some gold gilding flakes on it, and we've used a peel off here that says Happy Easter. And that's a lovely little nest decoration. Up is this beautiful bee egg, and to make this we covered the plastic egg with some napkins, a leftover bee napkin we had from another project. We used some gold gems from our stash, a lovely piece of gold ribbon, and on here we have attached a beautiful honeycomb dangle with a gold bee. First upcycled egg, and our second egg we also used a napkin to create this one, and we just used a PVA mixture and sealed it with PVA on top to give it a little shine, and that's a lovely floral springtime egg. And our third egg upcycle from the plastic egg is this steampunk style egg here, and on the bottom we've used one of these metal embellishments. We've foiled it using our gilding flakes, and then we've used a variety of different cogs from our stash, and we finished it off with this thin metal ribbon, and we think this is a very unusual steampunk themed decoration. So that was our 3 upcycled eggs using the plastic eggs in our stash. We'll pop them onto the tree. 3 little wooden decorations that we also made a video on. These were a charity shop purchase that we upcycled using some glitter and beads, some watercolour paint and a little pom-pom, and the sheep here we made using some fluffy stuff, and we've put a little dangle here that says just for you. And if you'd like to see how we made these, you can check out the links down below. And the last thing we'll be popping onto the tree is this beautiful spring coloured flower posy that we made using 3D flower foam on the channel, and you can check that video out as well. So that's all the decorations that we'll be popping onto our Easter tree. Do you have a favourite decoration that we've made or that we'll be putting onto our tree this year? You can let us know in the comment section below. And if you'd like to make any of these decorations yourself, please check out our tutorial videos as well. So we'll pop off now and put all these decorations onto our springtime branches. Stay tuned to the end of the video where I'll be showing you the grand reveal of our decorated Easter tree. A huge thank you for watching along today. If you've enjoyed the video, please give us a like, subscribe, and ring that bell to be notified the next time we make a video. everyone here at the Crafty Seas, we hope you have a fantastic weekend, and until next time, happy crafting!